Good morning, and today marks the first official day of Vlogmas. I just woke up. I had a very long sleep. It's not even morning anymore, but I'm going to make breakfast and I wanted to share that with you. I'm going to be approaching Vlogmas a little bit differently this year, but I'll talk about that at the end of this vlog. And I just wanted to carry on with the rest of my day. So we're starting off with breakfast. I have no idea what I'm doing for the rest of the day. That'll come after. I'll plan it out. I want to decorate my condo for Christmas, put up my Christmas tree. It's gonna be a great day. But first I'm starving and I need breakfast. So coffee. I'm gonna make eggs with mushrooms and salsa, which I barely eat eggs, but it seems like every time I film my breakfast, it's usually eggs, which is really funny. Like, I rarely eat eggs. I never even buy them, but I have them for some reason. And I want a bagel on the side. So this is my finished meal here. I have my bagel, which is a whole wheat bagel, some scrambled eggs with mushroom and salsa on top, and then my cup of coffee, and of course my glass straw, which I got these on Amazon. I will link them down below. And my favorite thing is that my coffee table pulls up into a higher table so I can sit and watch TV while I'm eating. I'm so excited. This looks delicious. It's much later now. I've been doing a ton of work this afternoon and now it's like starting to get dark outside, but I think it'll be the perfect time to set up my Christmas tree. I've kind of been putting this off because I wanted to do it earlier in the day, but I have to go downstairs to my storage locker and get my Christmas tree and all the decorations and then bring them upstairs, and it's like kind of a lot of stuff to do on my own, so I've been kind of putting it off, but I'm really excited to put up my Christmas tree, so I can't wait. Especially being in a new space, I am excited to like figure out where I want to put it and like how I want to set it up. So I'm gonna Christmify the condo here. Jolly Christmas. I have my Christmas fireplace going. I'm gonna take this piece of tape off the wall that is measuring my new TV that's coming in. So I brought all my Christmas decorations upstairs and I am gonna go through the boxes for the first time and kind of like sort through my decorations from last year, and I'm gonna put them up on the tree. I don't think I'm gonna make too many adjustments to the setup that I had last year, but I think I'm gonna keep the tree here in this corner. My only hesitation is that it is kind of in front of the vent, but if I don't put it right up against the vent, then I think it should be fine. I think it should be fine. And there's a plug there too, so I can plug it in. I need to find my timer so I can plug in the lights and they can go on a timer. But it's so pretty. I love it. I love my tree. I want to go out sometime this week and see if I can find like a matching garland in like this rose gold color that I can put above my bed. So I think that would look really pretty, but only if I can match it perfectly. I'm gonna press play to my Christmas music and start decorating my tree. Update, I think I just spent about an hour looking for this extension cord because there's one plug behind my TV and Apple TV, and obviously that takes two power sources. So I need an extension cord that has more power on it so that I can plug in my Christmas tree. And I knew I had this somewhere, but it's like when you just move into a new place and you think everything is organized, but like you go to look for that one thing and you can't find it. But I'm like, I know it's here. I wouldn't give up until I found it because I need to plug in my Christmas tree. All right, let's resume the Christmas tree decorating. I just unboxed my ornaments and this is what I have from last year. So I have these little icicles. I think there's 10 of them, and they were, I believe, from either Dollarama or Michael's. So there's 10 icicles. These are ornament hooks that I don't need because I don't have any new ornaments, but I used them on the glass balls here. These were from Michael's last year. I have these 8 snowflakes that are like glittery. These were from Michael's. So as you can see, my ornaments are clear, white, and then we move into the rose gold. Oh, and this is the Christmas tree timer that I was talking about. I got this on Amazon, and I will link one below. It is very simple to use. You just plug it in and then plug whatever you want to put on the timer onto it. You push down the hours in which you want it to be on, and then it kind of rotates. It's kind of cool, really simple. And then these were just glass ornaments. They were all clear and empty. And then last year I filled them with rose gold glitter and snowflakes, like fake snow. And some of them I put both. So I think this one here has like glitter and snowflakes. And then some are just snowflakes and some are just glitter. So I did these in last year's Vlogmas video that I will link down below if you want to see me making them. But honestly, it was really simple. I just kind of made a cone out of newspaper and put them inside, put the lids on, and I kept all the boxes, which makes it really easy for storing because the glitter kind of spills out of the balls if you like don't lay them down properly. These, I don't know where they are from. My mother gave them to me. She's had them for years. And then I have this wood Merry Christmas sign that's rose gold and matches my tree. And this was from Michael's as well. And then this bag here is just like some boxes that I wrapped with white and rose gold wrapping paper that I put underneath the tree as a decoration. And then I have more wrapping paper that I'm gonna actually wrap presents with. Last but not least, in this bag, the reason why I have it in a bag, oh, this is my tree topper. This is my star tree topper. It's so pretty. I love how simple it is. That was from Michael's. And then in this bag, everything in here is from Michael's, and they are rose gold little leaves, and I cut them into pieces. It came in one bunch. They are super glittery. I cut them into bunches and then I just stick them inside my tree. Finally, something I didn't take off my tree from last year are these white bows that I tied onto random branches. So again, my tree is from HomeSense that I got last year. It's pre-lit and it's rose gold gradient to kind of like a white, and I love how narrow it is and it's so pretty. I love it. Time to decorate. And there we have it. My Christmas tree is officially up. Thank you for decorating with me. Stay tuned for the next day of Vlogmas for an official holiday themed condo tour of my new place, and it'll be like the first look of how I've been decorating and the new furniture pieces that I've gotten. So stay tuned for that video. Now I wanted to talk a little bit about how I'm going to be approaching Vlogmas this year. I've done Vlogmas as a tradition every year on my vlog channel for the last 4 years, I'd I'd say. Since I have made the change over to just mainly using this channel and no longer using my vlog channel, I am going to be doing Vlogmas here, but my approach is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be vlogging every single day, but I am going to be calling it the 12 days of Vlogmas, and that will equal a vlog every other day on this channel. So starting December 1st, which is today, there will not be a vlog tomorrow, but there will be the day after, December 3rd. So every other day in December leading up till Christmas. So the 12th day of 12 days of Vlogmas will be December 23rd, and then I will do a bonus video for Christmas. I did decide to do it this way because I do have a full-time job, and in previous years when I started doing Vlogmas, I was in school and I would finish my exams the first couple days of December and have the whole month of December off. So I did have the time to dedicate to, you know, doing daily vlogs and making them entertaining and editing and uploading for the next day. Last year, I didn't want to give up the tradition, so I attempted, but I didn't make it all the way through Vlogmas, and I don't want to fail again this year, so I am compromising and just approaching it a little bit differently so that there's a vlog every other day, which I think I can still achieve. Some videos throughout may just be like holiday themed videos and not so much of a day in my life kind of vlog, just because I do spend 8 hours plus of my day at work, and that's not something that I can showcase in a daily vlog. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will work really hard at making these vlogs entertaining, so I hope you enjoy. I have some really fun videos coming your way, so please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you back on my channel to see the rest of the 12 days of Vlogmas. That's about it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.